Oh, what have we here? Looks familiar. Oh, a familiar name. Country Aire. The second fan I've owned that has that name. Oh, but look, there's a familiar shape beside that badge. Another familiar shape. What could this be? Oh my lord. Don't find much of these around. This is a Country Aire branded model S-223 by Lakewood. I saw this on eBay. It's been up there a while. Off and on it'd be pretty high in price. It would be $90 at the cheapest for the fan and shipping. But I thought I'd pick it up while it was on sale. Or 60 some dollars for the fan. Most time it'd be like $84 some cents, with 30 some dollars for the shipping. Thought this would add variety to my vast set of Lakewood fans. Especially my whole entire collection of Lakewoods with the first gen plastic blade. Which this makes it 10, which pretty much makes me the king of first gen bladed Lakewoods. Yeah, I've got another first gen S-223 in terracotta. That one's just a regular Lakewood. That's a later one with the Westinghouse motor. This one's got a Macmillan motor. So when I have an overall look at this, and we'll fire it up. Here's the one side. Gotta love that classic terracotta orange. There's the other side. Flip around to the back. And as I said, this has a Macmillan motor. Once again, it's the early version with all the holes in it. I couldn't make out the full date code on there. It's not all there, but I could barely see that this is a 75. Probably from sometime in early 75. I think the cabinet's left over from 74, because if you look, it's still got the rubber feet on the bottom. Which I think they discontinued in late 74. Flip this back around. As you can see, it's got the skinny handle and the brown speed plate. It does have a bit of rust specks on the top, and this, whatever it is. And when I got this, it didn't have a knob on there. This is a dial I stuck on there. As you can tell, it's a dial for a light dimmer switch. This is the dial that came with my 74 P223, which is also in terracotta. And again, another shot of the Country Aire badge. This one's got a dark brown background. I guess the later one's kind of a brownish green or dark khaki background. It's only the second model S-223 I've seen under this brand. The first one being that one that my friends Spats, and Harley Badger have. Theirs being with a Westinghouse motor. Oh, and even though this is the early Macmillan motor, the speeds on this one seem to run like the later ones. I mean, high's like a normal high, and medium's a regular medium, and then low's pretty nice and low. I wonder if some of them actually ran that way, or are they all supposed to run fast? I don't know. I just hope this one's not dying out. Anyway, here's high. Medium. Low. And as I said, it's got that nice quiet low, which is unusual for a older Macmillan motor. Back to high. And as always, O-double-F spells off. Guess the coast down time's pretty decent. Does seem a bit short, but and there you have it. That's my 1975 Lakewood Country Aire model S-223. Thank you for watching.